I struggle with AI, how much it gets stuff wrong. Yeah, it does. So there are ways to mitigate this. A lot of the time, hallucinations are caused because of the way we word our prompt. So sometimes we will word it in a way that doesn't give the AI any option. So we'll say, I want you to return 3 quotes about X, Y, Z. And if it can't find them, it's still trying to please us. It's still trying to be agreeable. So it will still give us 3 quotes. It will just make them. So we need to, if we were looking for verified information, like finding a quotation, for example, would provide me with these quotes and the sources so that I can check them out. So that's how we use it. But then there are other hallucinations which are caused by context window length. So basically the memory that these models have. They can only take and work with a certain amount of information. And that information includes the prompt that we give it, any documents that we upload, and the prior chat. So as a chat gets longer and longer, it's more likely that information from the top of the chat, from the beginning, will start to get forgotten. And instead of just telling us this, the models will fill in the gaps. They'll work out what they're missing. And then because they're very good at pattern matching and sentence completion, they'll try and work out that missing information. And that's when things go wrong. Most of the time, it's fine. But if you need veracity, if you need to make sure something is validated, if you're doing anything to do with numbers or anything to do with code, that's when it goes horribly wrong. So you can guard against this by always starting new chats. You can use things like projects. So both ChatGPT and Claude have projects which allow you to save certain information into a project knowledge, and that keeps the current chat clean. Or you can use larger context models like Gemini and a context window of 2 million tokens compared to a couple of 100,000, which is the other models. The one thing I would say is context window limitations is it's something we deal with right now. It is not necessarily something we're going to have to deal with later in the year or so. We have to remember we're basically at floppy disk era of AI right now. We're going to look back in 10 years of AI and it's going to be embarrassing. It's going to be like we're dialing up on a 56K modem. It's that level of computing, but with artificial intelligence.